Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve my baby hairs that you guys see and love on my Instagram page. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and follow me at Reshae. But without further ado, let's get into this video and get into these edges. So please keep on watching. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is how I do my baby hairs on a day-to-day basis. Sometimes I do a little bit extra, but this is my basic day-to-day baby hair swoop style. When using the slick styling glue, make sure you don't use too much product because it will flake on you. You want to be kind of light-handed, and it works best when you are doing your edges while they're kind of wet. So you can wet your toothbrush before you brush out your baby hairs, and then add just a little bit of that product on the edges and then swoop it. For more definition, you can add your own like colored edge control or what have you. It is very similar to like the Got to Be Glued as far as the hold. So these edges will not move all day. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you guys want to see more natural hairstyling videos like this in the comments. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to the full. Bye, guys.